Y'all, I feel like I'm drowning. I'm like in 8 feet of grass. You really can't see the contrasting difference, but Lord knows I can feel it. I don't know why I felt like that was a great idea in the middle of the rainy season in Florida. I'm tired, and I've just come to the realization, Jesus, I can't talk, that it's probably going to take me triple the time that it normally takes to mow this grass. I mean, the lizards, I don't know if y'all can see the lizards over there on the clubhouse. I think they're happy. They're like, man, we done reclaimed our land back. Y'all, I'm so tired. I can't wait for my massage at 2. Check on your girl.